Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card or two. Stop cheating on your future with your past. It's over. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Which one are you? Alrighty. Let's pick some quotes out of here today. Actions speak louder than words. Next time someone tries to convince you that they care, look at what they do, not what they say. Today is always the most productive day of your week. Mark Hunter. What kind of life do you want? Do you want to feel good or low? You can choose it all. Set an intention. One of the greatest gifts you can give someone is your time. You deserve to be loved without having to hide parts of yourself that you think are unlovable. Throw normal out the window. For sure, for sure. It's okay if your family doesn't fully understand you. You're an adult now. You don't need their approval or validation anymore. Every moment is a new opportunity. You are always free to choose a new direction and perception regardless of your past. And the last one today. Your best teacher is your last mistake. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.